Kaya dayo. Anong gawa mo dyan? Here at Deka Homes, Talumo. This is a Deka townhouse here at Talumo. See? This is block 151 for construction. Kaya dayo. What can you say?
Holiday.
Nandito kami. Oh. PM kayo sa gusto magkuha ng bahay dito. Ang mura lang. It is a townhouse. What is this? Kidaya, what is this?
This is Deka Homes Townhouse. So, yun. Ito yung pinakamurang bahay dito sa Davao City. Ito yung Deka Homes Townhouse. At dali lang matirahan. Yan.